These are some parts from a CPAP machine. What happened is it started making a lot of noise, and I pulled it apart to investigate and found that the impeller disc shown here had a hairline crack in it. So I fired up the motor with it in my hand after putting a bit of glue on it to see if that would help, and it actually flew apart in my hands. So what we're going to do is we're going to try 3D printing a new one. A new machine like this runs anywhere from $1,000 to $1,500–$1,600, and don't really want to pay that, considering that this part here is probably about 25 cents to mold. It's just ABS, nothing complicated. You know, flat on the bottom, some curved blades on top, makes for a nice quiet fan. So we're gonna try it out, see what happens with a 3D printed one. Okay, so I've modeled up the part using rhinoceros, and we're going to send this off to a service bureau to have it 3D printed in nylon. Should make for a nice strong part. The part that was in the machine originally was ABS, which, you know, it's decent material, but it's rather brittle under certain circumstances. And as you can see, it flew apart. So I'm hoping nylon's going to be better. Again, just basically reverse engineered the one that came out of the machine. Changed a few little things, try to make it a little stronger. But yeah, this is going to be even my first real world use of 3D printing to fix an item. I've been using it for 20 years or so in design world, but this time we're going to actually make a usable part and fix the CPAP machine. Alright, so I got my part back today. It was made by Anubis 3D. They do fantastic nylon sintered parts, and prices are excellent. Highly recommend them. Yeah, Anubis 3D. Okay, so here's my part. Looks really awesome. Sintered nylon, and it's replacing this ABS impeller blade that we looked at earlier. So let's just see how they look together here. I think we're looking pretty good. Yeah. I can't wait to put this on the motor and wind it up and see what happens. Okay, so here it is, installed on the motor. Just use the vise to press fit it on. I had to use a little pin to push on this center part because it's below the fan blades. But other than that, it looks pretty good. It spins really nice. We'll know better in a minute when we get some power to it. But so far, so good. Press fit works excellent. We're good to go. I'm going to wire it up, and I'll get back to you and spin it up. Okay, it's hooked up. We've got power. Moment of truth. Look at that. I think it's even balanced well. Wow. There it is. 3D printer fix for the real world. I'm impressed. Alright, it's all back together. Fire it up. She's whining a little bit. I haven't balanced the fan yet, but it's working excellent. And to be honest, the whine isn't that loud at all. It's just noticeable. So cool. 3D printed fix.